Hey guys, this is Jimmy with Colton RV and Marine, and if you're in the market for an open bow in Western New York, I have the brand just for you that you'll only find at Colton, which is Cobalt boats. So behind us, we want to take a walkthrough video of our R4 that we just got in stock, so let's take a look. It is gorgeous sitting here. You guys can see the profile of the boat. What you guys are kind of look at is all of the Cobalts come with a stainless steel rubber rail that wraps around the boat, kind of protects it from docks in between your fenders. And then the color scheme we ended up ordering this boat with is you're looking at the ebony black color, the white boot stripe, and graphite gray hull bottom. And then as we make our way around the boat, you'll notice some nice features of cleats. Now cleats are on every boat, but you can kind of see the thickness and the durability of this cleat. Be nice add-on to a dock, or if you're out at night going through the canal. Moving forward, this boat does come with docking lights up front. Docking lights will help you in and out of the canal and, you know, on and off your trailer at boat ramps. And all of our trailers, you can see, we marry them up with Venture. This is a Venture I-beam trailer. And then moving back, you can see we did a custom wheel set for this trailer. So it looks awesome when you guys are hooked up to your unit going down the highway. So we're gonna make our way back to the stern of the boat. We'll show you the swim platform. So Cobalt does a lot of cool things that are kind of just to them. So you guys can kind of see on their swim platform, you don't see a ladder. They have came up with a dual purpose flip seat, or a footrest seat, or a ladder as you do. So it's gonna release off of a nice stainless steel bracket. So you'll deploy this, it'll go down a little bit more, actually make a 90-degree. But it's easy in and out of the boat. You can sit on here, or you can sit up on the swim deck and put your feet in. And then obviously it's as easy as just flipping it back, and it's gonna lock into place. What you'll also see is Cobalt uses a lot of stainless steel options. So this does have a guard on the back. You know, we all don't wanna kiss the dock, but sometimes when we're backing up to a dock to retrieve a rider or to put the boat in the slip for the night, we might kiss it. This will actually protect your fiberglass swim deck. And then obviously you can see the logo on the back is awesome. And then we'll take you guys through the interior of the boat and show you how you'll use it while you're underway. All right guys, now that we're standing in the cockpit, we'll spend a little bit of time going over the back of the boat. The back of the boat is where 90% of all the fun happens. You sit down, you're cruising. A lot of people will sit in this position and watch their riders. And then when they get to the cove, this is kind of where all the conversation pieces happens. You lay out, get a nice tan. So you have a aft walkthrough, which is nice because Cobalt does the aft walk-through storage here. So they give you a nice finished off tub. I used to like to put water shoes there, maybe some dock ropes for easy access. You'll see it is irrigated, so any water that gets in here is going to drain out by itself. And then obviously it has the nice stainless steel quality locks that Cobalt likes to use. Now it does have a sunbed. The sunbed is massive on this. You guys can see the interior of this boat is called Slate Ebony. And it goes off awesome on this boat, married with the outside colors. Now this, on all Cobalt boats, all the darker interior colors are going to be 15 degrees cooler to the touch. So out in the sun, they will get heated up a little bit, but once you touch them, all the heat from your hand or the seat will dissipate. So it'll become cool. But a nice feature of this boat, you have a flip lounger here that you'll be able to lounge out on the boat. So obviously you'll use that. You can kind of see how big the swim platform is. I can walk around this safely, but you can slide back here, hang out, catch a suntan, watch your kids swim. And then Cobalt does do the nice rumble seat in the back. So if people want to sit in this position, you can always pop this rumble seat up, stow it like that, drop this back seat back, and then you can kind of have conversation piece here. The people in the cockpit under the bimini that we have out can kind of stay in the shade and stay part of the group. But let's take you through this aft walkthrough here into the cockpit. So it is U seating, and it's nice. So it does not have dual captain seats, but it has a multi-function where it actually gives you a dual captain seat, and you can actually fit 2 people here. So I like this layout because you have the captain seat, but it's wider. So you can actually fit 2 people, almost like a companion. It does have a bolster seat, just like the driver's seat does. And you can kind of sit up and you have clear visibility over the windshield. But as you flip the bolster back down, and you guys are doing water sports, everybody wants to watch the riders in the back, You can flip it to this position, and then you now have another full lounger in the boat in addition to your back. Besides that, Cobalt goes over the top in all their interior, guys. So you can notice everything's double stitched. You have really nice accents in the the diamond stitching, which is also double stitched in the gunnels. Look at all the stainless steel cup holders throughout the boat. They're everywhere. This boat has a JL audio stereo system, so it's gonna thump going down the river. What's nice though on Cobalts, and I show this all the time, because when you're out on the water, you're out in the sun, you're gonna sweat a little bit, you're gonna have oil in your hands. Cobalt does a nice job on all their interiors of giving you a darker color to grab and then lift up. So you'll never have fingerprints up here. And then look at the attention to detail. Instead of grabbing a pad, handing it to a rider to hold while you get a beach towel or a life jacket out, everything's on nice gas struts, so it's gonna pick up. You have stainless steel hinges, the seat's gonna stay up. You can kind of tell the angle, easy stowed in. This compartment we opened up has your fire extinguisher in there, nice trash can, your owner's manual's in the floor. And then if Mike wants to come around, a lot of people just do battery switches. Cobalt does a nice job of giving you fuses, your battery switch all in one place, and then it's easy to, you know, read and access when you need to. Now we'll put this down, and the boat itself is powered with a Volvo 300 V8, plenty of power. Now, I didn't show you guys the duo prop when we were going over the swim back platform, but this one does come with a duo prop married to this Volvo. And then Cobalt does an awesome job, other than its competitors, of not jamming this engine in the engine compartment. So you can tell you have plenty of space to work on it. You do have an additional storage bay with a partition wall on the right side there, but everything's clean. So this is a 300 horsepower V8. It is a closed loop cooling engine, so the block is all aluminum. And what you guys are looking at is, you can obviously the antifreeze housing right here. That is what cools this engine. What now then cools the antifreeze down to cool the engine down is this water housing. So instead of the old cast iron blocks, you know, that you're gonna have raw water going through your block, this is almost maintenance free. You'll never have corrosion in the block. And then it does have a self-winterization tab that I like to say is short seasons. Now there's a couple things when you winterize you're gonna wanna do additional to this, but at the end of the season or in the beginning of the season, if you get out on an early weekend and it's warm, and then we get a cold front come in and you're worried about freezing, you can come in here, you pull this pin, you drain the water housing, and you're safe. Now you can do that as many times as you want. So in the spring, if you get a cold front that comes in after it warms up, or you get a warm front after it cools down, you can go back on a boating weekend, get another weekend out of the season. This will help you extend your season. Again, you can see all the space in this. It's very clean, well done, and then everything's on gas struts. And you do have a support arm if you're gonna be under there long-term doing some long-term maintenance. But fire extinguisher is also back here too on the firewall. So you have fire extinguisher in the engine bay, and you have a fire extinguisher in the cockpit to use. Pretty easy though. But we'll move up through the cockpit. You guys obviously see the flooring in this. You have two options in the R series C8 flooring. I like this soft track mat. It is a permanent surface. It's very easy to clean. Your other option is to go with a seagrass mat that is snap in, but it just doesn't give off the appeal that this soft track does. But moving to the Helm, a couple of the other options that we put on this boat. It does have an upgraded leather steering wheel that is kind of color matched to the boat. You can kind of see the nice Cobalt logo badging in there. It is also in their seats. This is a dual screen glass cockpit, kind of known for Cobalt R series. All your buttons, you know, this has LED lights in the floor. It does have docking lights. When you guys push this in, we don't have a battery in the boat, but all these rings will illuminate. So at night you can easily get to them as well. And then my favorite option is, there are a lot of cheap cell phone holders on boats. Cobalt has one of the nicest ones. One hand, push it down, let it grab, and it's a charger as well. And then what you guys also see paired to the glass cockpit, you have kind of what I call Regal View. This is tied to your engine, so that's going to give you your trim degree of where your trim's at, and then any other alarm or any, you know, check engine light's going to pop up on there, and you'll be able to service that and pretty much call your local dealer, us, to come out and help you out. Besides that, you'll see the badging on the boat. It is a 13-passenger boat. You know, 13 people would fit fine in this. you actually have plenty of space for all your riders and their gear. Now, gear, you can kind of see you have storage under there. There's storage under all these seats. But again, other competitors are going to put one ski locker in the boat. This one has two. This one has one in your center ski locker. That's going to be your deepest one. Again, guys, all the drains are self-bailing, so any water that gets in the lip is going to drain there. This is actually a self-bailing deck. So let's say we're out on Erie and it's a nice day in the morning and we're coming back and we got caught and we're in some waves and we do take on a little bit of water either over the side or over the bow. It's a self-bailing deck. You're going to stay safe. So all the water is going to run back through the deck, and you'll see these two holes on the deck that's going to bail into your bilge. You can hit the bilge pump on, and it's going to disperse off the side. So on some of those crazier days when you come back in the afternoon, you're going to be safe. You know, like our other R6 that you guys saw us demo over the summer, this does have the wind doors. So again, you're going to close this windshield, open this door here that's going to block this off. That keeps the air from crawling through the cockpit. Now up to the bow, mostly everybody's favorite place to sit. The bow has plenty of storage as well. Both of these pop up, guys. Huge amounts of storage. Goes all the way back to your helm. So it's deep and it's long. This one, you can see under the seat that we have the filler cushions. We're not going to get those out, but you guys can envision it here to where I am standing. We're going to put these seats back down. Where I'm going to stand, obviously, we have pads that fit this section that makes a bed. So obviously, you'll be able to sit up here and lounge out. But again, you have plenty of space. You can see how tall these seats are. You know, covers all the way up to my shoulder. See all the nice stitching that Cobalt does with the diamond accents. Again, the JL audio stereo. And the awesome, if you're hanging out in the bow, texting all day. You shouldn't be on your phone, but if you want to charge it, you have a charging port off to the side. And again, you have 3 cup holders on each side and nice stainless steel grab rails. So, guys, this boat will be available now. It is a 2026 R6. It does have a forward-facing tower. It'd be great for your family to enjoy Western New York. So if you're looking for an open bow in Western New York, the only place you'll find Cobalt is here at Colton RV and Marine. So drop any questions you have in the comments. And if you'd like any additional information, give me a call. Again, my name's Jimmy. My number is 716-694-0188, extension 425.